I am Navneet Kumar, the captain of my team, and he is Akshat Gupta, the captain of his team. We are here to debate on the topic of Digital India, and this debate is being conducted by our respected English teacher Vishal sir.
Digital India make life easier. What about that?
In digital India, people disconnect their surroundings.
How? Could you elaborate that point?
When imagine just
What about privacy and security? Many people are browsing the many websites and doing online purchasing. The many things they are sharing their personal information.
Isn't it online purchasing a good point? Or are you saying that hacking or phishing has reached at its point?
Many people know more about the technology about more than we. They can hack about our detail and do wrong things with us.
And from this, government help us giving medicines and every type of.
And why are cyber crime or cyber security for?
Cyber security are where we, the digital India is not fully wrong, but many times it has many side effects also.
The mistakes are being by us, and we can't say that hackers or
What about
phishers-
environment?
Environment isn't a question in this point.
The leads and the mercury are not bioconserved. They harm the soil and the water. Water is the basic unit of our life. And if water is only harmed, then how the human life is?
Firstly, the point Digital India doesn't harm any environment, neither air and nor water.
Leads and mercury harm.
Mercury isn't a major point of Digital India. It's on the basis of network Ethernet.
What about
and
health
connectivity?
issue? Health issue. There are many health issues like obesity, eye problem, poor posture. Because especially on the screen, the person can see many hours.
Firstly, there are many spectacles of blue rays which can protect you from harm rays of your screen. And secondly, the Digital India being a part of majorly body intelligent body, it helps us in healthcare. Firstly, there are many machines and technologies by which we can test ourselves like CBC, ECG, blood test, X-ray. There are many features which help
What
us.
about social skill and relationship? People are spending more time on that digital India. They are the face-to-face interaction in social and relationship are very less.
Firstly, it's up to you how you use social media. Social media is a platform on which you can talk to them or connect with all the people.
And Digital India make your life easier with government give you medicines and every technology with which you can help in your work like.
Government has many medical stores near your home. Everywhere is Ayushman Bharat Yojana is there in the India.
Even Digital India gives us a UPI transactions which are secured and safe.
Many times the hacker can hack that.
How?
Many people see your UPI pin and hack your account.
Firstly, there is a biometric feature in UPI, and you can't hack your UPI without your biometric feature.
And it is also harmful to it is also not good to carry such
What
type
about
of
distraction?
more cash.
The students are using the digital mobile and smartphone and smartwatch in the class.
Students lose their focus in study.
Are you saying that only you focus?
नवनीत कंट्रोल
गुस्सा में आ जा रहा है।
अरे नहीं गुस्सा है।
All students are not focused in study.
Not for all, because digital India being a part of technology and intelligence source, you can also use that internet or ethernet on the countable feature of yours, and you can use them as a good option in your study to attain knowledge, to gain knowledge, to achieve information about that topic, and you can't unuse that topic.
And you easy your homeworks and everything with Digital
many
India.
distractions
You can search on YouTube and many platforms that you can easy your.
Smart board is a digital feature, and you said that digital things are harmful. How is this harmful?
Why? When teacher is absent, the students see the unwanted videos.
And you
And you support them. Don't you support them?
What I can do for that? I fight with the school management.
No, when they are watching unjust videos, you could just study your topic. You are only distracting yourself from being a part of Digital India, and you are distancing yourself on the accountable features of this.
What about digital divide?
What?
Digital divide. Many people are there who are modern, and many people are not there. And there are social gap between the modern people and the not modern people.
That's what our government wants to end. That
Even more transactions takes place in India in whole the world.
And also digital India helps us to attain or income, helps in income, or you can say
Even-
that
What about unemployment in India?
Even it is useful for many people who are
Manufacturing,
unemployed.
the manufacturing is done by the machine. The human resource is not less.
that is not digital.
So you are saying that the digital India leads to unemployment.
Firstly, there are many several features or several options like
For
Even
in easy
ChatGPT is
way.
the biggest example of AI.
Artificial intelligence.
isn't
What about ChatGPT? What do you think about ChatGPT?
does AI support you or lead you to crime, or it only provoke you to crime, provoke you to do crime, or you
Many people are making fake profile and asking the money to other and do online scam.
and that's up to you how you attain them or how you react to them when you accept the
Many
friend
people are not
request.
educated.
There
How
are many
they-
digital precautions of that.
Many people are not educated. How they know that?
That's why our government is supporting digital India, that everyone should be educated and everyone should have knowledge about that digital India, so no one would be harmed and no
When
one
a student is bringing the smartwatch in the class, it is distraction for class.
But smartwatch help you to.
What about the capability of the person? What is that regarding?
What you are saying?
that capability is upon to you, and you are saying that people search wrong things or unjust things on their smartphone, but there are several students who gain knowledge from that device or gain knowledge from that internet. There are many online
And
coaching
they will
batches.
be a big person from that smartphone.
And the person who does not know
And people like you always saying wrong things and destroying their life.
Many students also study from the online platforms to make their careers. PW and Allen are the biggest example of that.
And there are many features which can help you.
How can't they study? It means several students are study, but only not maximum, but minimum students will success. Both where are minimum are gone.
When you try, then you success.
Every
And,
when you are studying on the mobile, there are many notifications are coming.
Drop them.
you should use focus mode.
But many notifications are
This
important.
is only on the of your discipline. How disciplined you are.
There was in digital media there was one more feature that you block your negative notification, not positive notification. You can use that.
Even you
What
can
about
close.
the children who seeing unwanted video at the age of 18 years less?